Definitely, as a first-time homeowner, we knew what design we wanted, but we didn't know how to go about like executing it. Also making it a functional space, because we didn't want a house that was just purely aesthetic and then not like usable and livable at all. So I think Sam from D4S was definitely very helpful in making sure we got what we wanted aesthetically and also like maintaining that functional portion.
So I think I'm a slightly more picky and particular homeowner. So when we first met Samuel, right, we actually gave him a 30-page PDF on like what we want the house to look like. So it is a bit much, but I feel that Sam really understood like our vision and our taste, and he really managed to translate what we wanted into a home, which I think is like a very, very good job done. And also like, I think Sam in particular like really went above and beyond for us. Like, he really helped us with a lot of stuff, even like the lights, he helped us to change the LEDs and
like
stuff.
Things
So
he didn't have to do, but
yeah.
he like went out of his way to come here and just help us like do a specific thing.
Yeah, so I think it really says a lot about like the service and how thorough Design4Space is. Like they really go like, how to say,
like they make sure your house is perfect.
Yeah, like there is no compromise at all. So actually, right, we didn't even need any other like ID firms because like there was no need to. Like the first time we met Design4Space, Richard and Sam, right, I feel that from that first conversation, like you could tell like everyone was on the same page.
Yeah, and they were very confident in like their skill set, like what they know and their experience, and then it made us also like feel very assured.
Yeah, so I think because of that, we didn't even bother finding a second opinion from another idea, and I would say that we are actually very happy with the results lah. Like I said, no compromises were made at all with this renovation.
I think yes, definitely as a first-time homeowner, it took a lot of things off my mind, and also I really didn't have to worry much throughout because I know I'm in good hands.
Like, I would definitely recommend Design4Space and Sam because I feel that my experience working with Sam was very good, and I would say Sam has a lot of like connections and he know a lot of like different stuff to recommend. You know, like even a lot of our stuff that we buy, right? Like he already know in Singapore where is the best place, like the best price you can get for certain things. Then he will just share that information with us. So like it is definitely a lot. You feel a lot more assured when you're working with someone that has that experience and that connection in the industry.